You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more confusing names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. There are two different ways of pronouncing it, but this is the name of a prophet in the Bible. So when talking about the prophet, you normally say it as Elisha, but some people are named that way with this first name, and they can say it, sometimes they say it as Elisha. So the two are correct. Elisha, definitely when talking about the prophet, but Elisha exists. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching. More videos for you here to learn more. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.